Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. It's free and it'll help me out a lot, so hit that subscribe button. Today we're going to be doing some acrylic pouring, and I'm actually going to be paint pouring over this resin painting that I had made on my channel previously. And I'm a little bit nervous because I haven't done an acrylic pour in over 5 months, but I wanted to show you guys how easy it is to do acrylic pouring. These paints I picked up on Michael's website. They're made by Artist Loft. They're pre-mixed and ready to pour. They're so easy to use, and I have 2 cups here, and I'm just trying to layer my colors in my cups. Just switching up in each cup where I put the color so the same color isn't in the same spot in each of the cups. And then what I do is I start in the bottom left corner, work my way up to the right hand corner, and I'm pouring both cups at a slow, even pace, just so both cups, when I'm pouring the paint out, the paint is touching in midair, and that's going to give you some really pretty lines. And honestly, I used way too much paint on this piece. I only needed about half of the amount that I used, but like I said, I haven't paint poured in over 5 months, so I was just having like a brain dead moment, I guess, when I was trying to figure out how much paint I should use. So for a piece like this is an 11 by 14. I would say you would need about 10 ounces of paint total, and that should be enough. Anywhere from like 10 to 12 ounces. And I actually had 16 ounces in these cups, so I had way too much paint. But here's how it turned out. I think it turned out so pretty. When I do this technique, I just like to kind of pour my paint to the top right corner, bring it back towards the center, tilt my canvas down to the bottom right corner, and then tilt it back up to the top left corner so everything has good coverage. I just love this technique because it gives you so many pretty lines. I do wish there was a little bit more white in this section here to kind of brighten the piece up, but like I said, it's been a while since I've done acrylic pouring, so I was just a little bit rusty, but I still think it turned out really pretty. That old gold color gives your painting such a pretty shine and sparkle. Hopefully you can tell on this piece how pretty it is. So what I'll do is I'll let this piece dry for a week, and then I will finish it with a clear resin top coat and some glass glitter. And I did make a piece very similar to this one on my channel previously, and I did finish that piece up with some clear resin and glass glitter. So I'll link that video down below. If you haven't seen it, definitely go check it out. I'll insert a little clip on how it turned out. Turned out really, really pretty. I love finishing my acrylic pours like this. Here's how this piece that I previously made turned out. The painting I made today, I was kind of going for something similar to this piece. So it didn't really turn out the same, but I'm definitely going to keep experimenting some more. And my plan is to finish the piece that I made in today's video just like this one, adding some clear resin and that beautiful glass glitter. So if you haven't seen this video of this piece that I'm showing here, definitely go check it out. I'll link it down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and definitely go check out a few more of my other videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys so much. I hope you're doing fantastic, and I will see you next week for another video. Bye guys.